No, it's not just Shiba Inu coin that is getting hit very hard right now. It is the entire cryptocurrency market. Guys, Bitcoin's down to $94,000, trying to tread water. 93.9, 94.1, sitting there right at $94,000, and that's an extremely low price compared to the $109,000 that it was at just a few weeks ago. Now, I get it. $94,000 Bitcoin is still very expensive Bitcoin, but of course, it is causing a lot of fear in the market. But we've got to cling on to some hope. We've got to cling on to something that tells us that, well, we will recover once again, and I absolutely believe that we will. I don't know if we're going to see a 400% gain. I don't know if we're going to see, a 4,000% gain. I don't know what the actual numbers are going to be. If I did, we would all buy the absolute bottom and we would all sell the absolute top. But I do believe that this cryptocurrency industry is set for major growth, and I am continuing to invest. So let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, Shiba Inu coin market is struggling right now, and it might just be the calm before a 400% surge. Now, nothing about this, right, red line, feels like a calm. I get it that we've been trending between 1,500 and 1,700 points per coin for the last couple of weeks, but it does seem as though Shiba Inu coin broke down below a major level of support. If you come out here and you actually zoom in on this, you could see that these lines have been broken here. The wick, the body. It has been broken to the downside today as, Bitcoin's right here, so let's just take a look at it. As Bitcoin treading at that 90,000, look at this. Bitcoin for the last 2-3 months here has been testing this 90,000, 90,000, 90, 90, 90, 90,000. And if it breaks down below this, it could be curling over for a deep decline. But let's take a look at the good news. Let's take a look at what's happening in Shiba Inu coin, and let's take a look at what's happening in the overall Memecoin market as well. It says the once dominant Shiba Inu coin is enduring a severe cryptocurrency downturn, seeing a significant 26% price reduction in the last month. Now, current data indicates the Memecoin is trading at about $14.76 with a market capitalization of around $8.7 billion. Despite a slight 1.35% increase in the last 24 hours, and of course it is down at the moment right now, SHIB's general trend remains bearish, indicative of larger market concerns. Now, whale exodus endangers Shiba Inu coin stability. Despite concerns over bearish indicators, some analysts spot optimism in SHIB's price. Javon Marks highlighted an inverse head and shoulders pattern, a formation that typically signals a potential price reversal. According to Marks, the estimate could see Shiba Inu coin rise by 400% to 8,100 points per coin. They've been talking about this inverse head and shoulders for the last 6 months, but so I don't know too much about this pattern that they're talking about right here, but I do know the Shiba Inu coin could, should, and most likely will see very large price increases as the overall market begins to bounce. Bitcoin is leading the way right now. Bitcoin right now has come from this 109,900 level down to 94,100. We need to see this support level hold up. If this level gets broken, let's just put a little line in this area right here, right? If this level at about 90,000 gets broken, we could see some, I don't want to say very bearish, but we could see a nice pullback in Bitcoin. Not nice in terms of, positive sentiment, but nice in terms of, we could be falling all the way back down to $70,000 level of support. So you absolutely need to keep your eye on what Bitcoin is doing. Traders, for some reason right now, are extremely fearful. I don't get it, right? I am still buying. I don't understand why they are fearful. But if you come down to the coin stats or the coin market cap fear and greed index, you can see that yesterday was a level of 38. Today, level of 40. Treading water right there at that 38.40 level. And I do believe that with the current pullback in the prices, we may be seeing tomorrow back down at a level of 38 as well. So, good news and bad news, right? Good news is, if you buy when others are fearful and sell when others are greedy, you typically make money. And others are fearful right now. So this is leading to a very good buying position. The bad news, It's very hard to buy if you are afraid. So that is something to consider as well. What are your emotions right now? What are you feeling about Shiba Inu coin? What are you thinking about the market? Because if you come out to coin market cap here and you click on meme coins, you can see that the market cap right now, let's go over 24 hours, down 6%. That means meme coins across the board have lost 6.5%, bringing the market cap down to $61 billion. Volume about steady. Over the last 30 days, a heavy 41% decline. Now, if we look at this all-time, let me make sure you guys can see this right here. Yeah, you guys can see that. If we look at the all-time graph, we come out, we can see that we might be at a very strong level of support for meme coin market cap. We're at a level right where we were in the 2021 spikes, which is good news. That could be horizontal support. Ascending trend lines, like they don't let you mark this graph up here, but you guys can picture it. If you drew an ascending trend line here, the current price of not just Shiba Inu coin, the current price of Shiba Inu coin is included, yes, but the current price of the overall meme coin market cap would be hitting that ascending trend line. Therefore, we may hold up on that. Horizontal support, once again, found at the previous resistance at about $60 billion. So we may be hitting a bottom in terms of the overall cryptocurrency market, overall meme coin market cap. We may be hitting a bottom in terms of Shiba Inu coin's current price action, and Bitcoin may be hitting a bottom in terms of its, let's just call it recent levels of support around this $90,000 area. Of course, nobody knows what tomorrow brings. The fear could subside, and we begin to bounce, where, of course, people's worries, people's fears, all of it continue to grow, snowball, and turn things even worse. I tend to view things on the more optimistic side, so I'm going to say the Shiba Inu coin and the rest of the market may be getting ready to bottom out, bounce, and hopefully test these levels that a lot of these analysts believe that Shiba Inu coin can reach. I think that SHIB has it in it to hit an all-time high. I don't think it has it in it to do it during a fearful situation. So we are absolutely going to keep our eyes on the Fear and Greed Index and wait for this thing to tick back up. In the meantime, if you are looking for places to accumulate, you get the KSEC centralized exchange. You can buy Shiba Inu coin out here, absolutely. You can buy any cryptocurrency, really. These guys got the best selection of meme coins that I have ever seen in the United States. And right now, futures fees on Shiba Inu coin, check this out, 0% maker, 0% taker. You guys can trade on up to 100x leverage if you would like. Guys, buy when others are fearful, sell when others are greedy. It is not just something that people made up. If we can accumulate now, we should see gains ahead. And one of the meme coins that I am accumulating as well is Bitcoin Bull. I know you guys have seen the videos on this one. This is going to reward you. The better that Bitcoin does, the better that this token should do. And one day, in 18 hours, the price is going to rise. So you get links for everything down in the description of the pinned comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.